What's up guys, so welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, we will be going to catch sunrise at Ulu Sembawang Park Connector. And as you all know, there's a recent viral post by Mothership SG where a cyclist took a really beautiful sunrise, and then I bet a lot of people will be rushing there to go over and shoot. And what I didn't realize was that it was literally in my backyard. Okay, like literally not backyard lah, but like 5 km behind my backyard. So this was what happened.
Yesterday.
Wow, nice wow, nice Look like my countryside in Vietnam Tomorrow morning we go lah. Okay, let's go. So basically this is what the video is about and what images you can get if you were to head over there. So without further ado, let's go. So morning guys, so it's 5:20 AM in the morning. So it's been a while since I woke up at 5 AM. Yeah, so it's gonna be an hour's walk along Avenue 12, and hopefully we can make it. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and then hopefully we get good images. We're gonna prep now, and then we're gonna make our way there. Hopefully all is good, and yeah, hopefully we get good images. So yeah, see ya. So we are making our 1 hour's walk to Ulu Sembawang Park Connector, and honestly I'm feeling quite scared cause it's gonna be pitch dark. To be honest, I've done it before, but I don't know why I'm still scared. But yeah, how are you feeling?
Ooh.
So the direction wise for this Ulu Sembawang Park Connector we are taking is we are walking along Avenue 12. So it's approximately about like 5 km from my house. Therefore I am walking towards the destination instead of just taking bus or taking MRT, and then we could have taken a bike, but somebody don't know how to ride bike.
Not me.
It's about an hour's walk, so hopefully we can catch the sunrise in time. So yeah. So we are halfway into the walk right now, and what is the expectation?
Are we there yet?
What is the expectation?
Are we there yet?
So what is the expectation?
Hopefully there will be a pink sky later.
So let's all hope for that. But last 2 mornings have been raining, so fingers crossed. So we are here. We walk in here. Still have Ulu Sembawang PC. So I just found out that we are only halfway there, and it's already 6:20. The best time to get the picture that I saw on Mothership was mentioned at 6:40. So we have 20 minutes to make it there. So I don't know whether we can make it in time, but we see how it goes. It's there. Sun is rising. I think we can make it.
It's about 300 meters.
Let's hope we can make it. Like this not enough. The uphill. Someone's dying already. Looks like we're not gonna make it, but we are still gonna try.
Optimist.
So I think I will consider this as a fail. The sun is already out. Yep, but never mind. We will still walk to the location and recce it, and then we will try tomorrow.
A few inches later.
Look at the amount of people there. Oh wow. So many people. Even across. Look at the amount of people there. They're all everywhere. Just for this. Well, I guess it's a success. Beautiful sunset, beautiful mist. Yeah, man. Okay, and some last thoughts. You should come and check it out. It's really quite nice. You really seldom get this kind of views in Singapore, so you better come before they start building HDBs here. But be sure to safe distance because there's apparently a lot of people here. So even though it's like 6-7 AM, people still come here and do it. So yeah, if you want to come here, I recommend to check it out. So catch the golden hour, and it's quite a little bit of a hassle if you don't cycle, but I think it's worth it. And yeah, it's good. Yo guys, so looks like it was a mission success. I guess we were optimistic. So after all, it was a good photo shoot. We had some great pictures, but I think one downside is that there's really a lot of people. But unless if you're willing to go as far as us or even further, maybe you can get a little bit of space. Or maybe if you just stay a little bit later where everybody already walks away from the golden hour, I would say. So yeah, be heading back to edit the pictures. I'll show you after this, but as of right now, I'm going to close the video. Sorry, my lens is fogging up. Lens is unfogged. Okay, so come to the end of this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for staying to the end of this video, and thank you for joining us on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.